Right, new knife day, boys and girls. Yeah, from MyGoodKnife, from those lovely people in Finland. So. Fail. Are you ready? I'm not seeing any chocolate here. What is it that I bought? I can't even remember. A Balisong 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh! Freebies. Okay, that's a bit better than chocolate. My first one of these. What's that? Same little case as comes with your Bradley Kimura. Ooh. That's supposed to... Oh, it does spring open. Oh, well, look at that. Right, I'll start flipping it and do a review. Let you guys know what this is all about. Ciao.